Itigil mo na to. This is not you.
Tingin mo may choice ako? Kung hindi ko sila susundin, saan ako pupulutin?
Fuck your family honor.
This is not just about the honor. This is also about my mother.
Hindi nga ikaw yan.
What's the point? Ano yung kung itapon ko yung buhay ko? And don't scold me about my life when you throw your own life away.
Yes, I did throw my own life to you. That's why I'm always here for you. Because I know that fuck up feeling. I'm trying to save little part of you kahit ubos na ako. But obviously, I'm just wasting my life, myself and my time trying to save someone that don't want to be saved in the first place.
Stop using me as an excuse, Freya. You choose to be like that. After our breakup, Kiefer tried to save you and he only asked to be loved back by you. Pero pinagkaitan mo siya.
How dare you?
You ended up ruining your life because you want that. So how will you save me when you're broken beyond repair?
You're right. You're wasting your time with me. Because you should have focused on saving yourself from this misery. I'm done with you.
You should be. Or you can self-save yourself.
I did all those things before because I thought you would care. But it turned out that I wasted my life for nothing. But not the same way you care about her.
JJ is different.